Hey friends, Alex Danes here, and one of my very favorite ways to elevate my everyday salad is to turn up the heat. Now, I'm not talking about serving a totally hot salad. That doesn't sound great, but I do love heating up just one element in my salad dish that's going to bring the dish all together. It's gonna warm it up and make it feel cozy and comforting. Couple of examples of this are, number one, I always like to heat up my chicken if I'm adding it to a salad. One of my very favorite salads is like an Asian sesame salad. So I've got my cold cabbage, I've got my mandarin oranges, I have those crunchy wontons, but then I also heat up my chicken and add it to the bowl. So everything else is still cold and crispy and crunchy, but then I have that warm chicken and it's just going to heat the dish up just a little bit, just enough to bring all those flavors together. And I personally don't love cold chicken, so that works best for me. Another easy way to do this is with a grain. So like quinoa or brown or white rice. Just again, having all your other elements there as a traditional salad, your romaine, your beans, your corn, whatever you like, and then adding some warm quinoa to it is just gonna bring just like a coziness, and it's gonna feel like an elevated salad. It's gonna feel like one that you order at a restaurant. It's gonna be one that you wanna make again and again. So if you wanna elevate your salads this week, I encourage you to turn up the heat in one of your elements and give that a try. Let me know what you think.